In the last video we set up our sales reps. Now we follow the money, how a rep actually earns a commission, and how we pay it. We will use Emeka, our freelance agent. He just won us a sale, so we raise the customer invoice and tag him as the rep. We set the date and choose the customer, Riverside Hotels. Now the key step, in the sales rep section we choose Emeka. ZetaFisc pulls in his 5% rate automatically, and shows the estimated commission as we build the invoice. We point it at the receivables and VAT accounts, set the terms, and add the line, a 200,000 naira order, plus the usual VAT. With VAT, the invoice totals 215,000 naira, and Emeka's commission, 5% of that, comes to 10,750 naira. We create the invoice. A commission is now recorded against the invoice, but ZetaFisc only counts it as earned once the customer actually pays. So we open the invoice and record the full payment. Paid in full. Now we go to the sales commission screen, under the sales menu, to manage what Emeka has earned. This is the command center for commissions. The cards across the top track every stage, pending, then accrued once the invoice is paid, then approved by a manager, and finally paid. Below, we can filter by rep, customer, date or status. There are 3 tabs. All shows every commission, pending approval shows the ones waiting for sign-off, and payouts shows approved commissions ready to be paid. Emeka's commission is now fully accrued, its invoice is paid, so it is ready for approval. We review it and approve it. Approved. Because Emeka is a freelance rep, he is paid by voucher. On the Payouts tab, ZetaFisc offers to build a payout voucher for us. We confirm the period and create the voucher. ZetaFisc has prefilled everything, Emeka as the payee, a line for the commission on that invoice, and the amount. We choose which expense account it belongs to, professional fees, set how and when he is paid, and create the voucher. The payout voucher is created, and Emeka's commission moves to processing. From here the voucher follows the very same path we covered earlier. It is reviewed and approved at 2 levels, then released by the payment team. We will let that happen in the background, and then see the result. The payout voucher has now been fully approved and paid through the normal process. Let us return to the sales commission screen and see what that did to Emeka's commission. And there it is. The paid card now shows the commission, and Emeka's row is marked paid. The whole journey is complete and fully recorded. A sale was won, the customer paid, the commission accrued, a manager approved it, and a payout voucher paid the freelance agent his 10,750 naira. Every step is tracked, and nothing happens by hand that the system cannot account for.